Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well, and this is a quick video for you if you need help with a rotation question, and then I will also post one in a minute that is about reflection. So we want to start with this number 2 I have here where it says we're going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. There are a couple different ways you could approach a problem like this. I find that giving you a way to do it that is consistent is easier for you. So if we just kind of visualize what is going to happen with this shape, we know that a clockwise rotation is going in this direction. So I am expecting my shape to make a turn where it's over in this region somewhere. Don't exactly know what it's going to look like yet, but that's what we expect. Now on our cheat sheet that we made on our notes, it says, and it's over here to the left of your screen, 90 degrees clockwise rotation. We want to switch the X and Y coordinates and change the sign on the original X coordinate. So I want to go down here to the bottom of your screen on the right and do a little visual to show you really what's happening, okay? So here are the coordinates of the shape that we have right now. We want to figure out the image coordinates. So according to the rule, it says that we need to switch X and Y and then change the sign on the X. So here's my original X. I've got to change the sign on that one when I switch them around. All right, so Y is now my new X. And then my old X is now going to be a different sign for B prime. We're looking at -2, 4 for that one. We're going to do the same thing on all of these. So C prime, again, we're going to switch X and Y, change the signs on the X. So it becomes 2, +4. With D prime, switch the signs on X and, switch spots on X and Y, change the signs on your original X. So that becomes 2, +1. Notice I'm not changing the sign on Y, only on X. And then the last one, for E prime, we will make this -3 and then change the sign on that X to make it a 2. Now that we've got all the coordinates, let's go over here and plot it to see what happened. We talked at the beginning what we thought was going to happen. So let's see if that actually does happen. So let's plot these. Here we go. -2, 4. That's where B prime will be. C prime will now be at 2, 4. Here. D prime is 2, 1. And then E prime is -3, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. There it is. All right. When you connect that, you do in fact see that it made the turn we expected. Now, usually when we do one of these problems, the shape is confined into one of the quadrants. This one it's not, but you can still see it made that clockwise turn to the right, and it only shifted one time, because we've been talking about 90 degrees is when it turns once, and that's kind of what we're equating it to. I really hope this helps. Please send me an email if you have any questions.